we'll see how to create schedules and how to create legends today. Schedules and quantities, um, they, we can able to get schedules in project browser. In project browser, you may see this one, schedules and quantities. It's simple as just by clicking the right click, and you can get the new schedule and quantities. If you want to take the materials applied in a wall, like how much paint volume is there, or its surface area is there, or maybe any other area or volume or materials area or volume if you required, you have to go with the material takeoff. If you want how many numbers of doors and what types of doors were there and what their sizes and names, like that, if you want, you have to go to schedules and quantities. For schedules and quantities, it's not only for the doors, also it can be having multiple possibilities of creating quantities, like the room areas, the columns, and whatever the elements we are creating in the Revit model, we can able to generate their data as a Excel kind of thing. Okay, it's not much complicated. It's very easy. If you um, watch clearly, you can able to get that point. Okay, let let us try to create door schedule, and going to just simply right click and new schedule and quantities. In that, go to doors. In under doors, you can simply create door schedules, and it will ask what are all the columns you want to include in your schedule. Like definitely, I want the name of the those. So family name, family and family type. Maybe I will be incorporating those things. Family and the family type. You accidentally inserted anything, just click and remove the parameter. It will get removed. I want family and family type, and I want the rough height and width, rough height maybe, rough width, type commands. I think there won't be any type commands. Width is okay, and I want count and other than that, anything needed. If you want anything like material, what materials also you can able to insert. For now, I am not going to. I'm on the materials. So this is fine. Family and type count sizes is there for those. Fine. Now we have our door width and door size. Here it has been listed out how many doors involved in this project. Like for the D1, one door is there. For D2, these many doors is there, but it was creating separate rows. Right, for one door, it was getting one full row, but the same door I have placed all over the area. Only D1 at the entrance and the other all the doors is D2. So I don't want this family now. For that, And I have to go to fields again, go to this property tab under fields, here field under edit, and I can remove the family. Okay. Now I want these doors, separate rows. I want only one row, no need to get duplicated, and it count has to be added. These many doors here, I want a count should be added here. For that, we can go to filter, sorting and grouping. Here, itemize every instance. If you untick this one and press OK, it was creating total 7 numbers of doors, and it was including the D1 and D2 type also. So it was mentioning as varies. All door height is remains 2100, including D1. So it was showing the 2100, but the width is continuously changing. So it was showing as varies. Now again, I'm going to sorting and grouping or filter wherever. If you can click anywhere here, and you can able to navigate here also. This tabbing is equal here. Fields, filter, sorting and grouping, formatting and appearance, all are here itself. You can either go with here or either you can selecting by here. There's no issue. Again, I need to divide through family and type, because family and type only having that D1 and D2 category, and providing by sorting by family and type. That's okay. Here we can be able to get D1 is only one count is there. D2 is six count is there. Now it's fine. Now we have created our door schedule, and I want total to be added. How to add the total in this one? It's easier one. We can go to formatting, and under you have to select the count. Here no calculation is there. You can add calculate totals, and go to sorting and grouping, provide grand totals, and okay. So here seven, overall 7 doors is there. Now fine. I want to insert this schedule to our sheet. Just go to the schedule here. Here we have created our door schedule here. And simply click this one, left click and drag it and drop it here. And you can place it here. And you can adjust the column sizes by using these small arrows. I always prefer a single line headings. Okay, I can place somewhere here. For the same, we can able to create walls, windows. Here windows also there. You can simply go to new schedule and you can select W and you can get the windows. And here I'm going to provide family and type again. And other than that, what else we provided? Rough height, rough height, rough width, and count. Okay, count is also added. Now, okay. So here all are same kind of windows. I want to change couple of windows here. Maybe one will be around this size. So here the schedule is automatically updating. Here also I want to add another. window here, and if I change the size it even more smaller, and I can get that smaller one also. Okay, okay, fine. So whatever the decide the numbers, you can able to get the exact data at the real time. It will automatically gets updated while you update the model, so no need to worry. And you can simply go to fields again, the sorting and grouping, itemize everything. You can remove it. You can cover the grand total. And in formatting, you can click the count and you can add the grand totals, calculate totals, and you can press OK. And it was showing varies. So here you have to select any using the family and type. First, it having the names. So different kinds of names having different counts. Fine, looks fine. And we can insert to schedule also to our sheet. I can align it. Okay. I'm just trying to make sure its lines are perfectly aligned to give the perfect visual. Okay. Now I can move up the smallest schedule at top, bigger schedule at bottom. Then only it will look okay. So schedules, this is how we can able to create schedules. Also, we can able to generate a number of schedules. You can able to generate different kinds of walls and wall length, wall area, types of walls. Also, you can able to incorporate it, and you can able to create room schedules. Room schedules you can able to get from colorful legend, color color spaces. I want the rooms. Here I can provide by room name to can generate different colors for our rooms, and you can change the colors you want. This will be a legend. A legend is nothing but whatever if you are providing some uh, annotation or tags. It's like in a price tag, they will be mentioning one star, and for that star, they will be provide some disclaimer at the bottom somewhere here, like inclusive taxes, like that. So it's kind of that star kind of thing is still like that. If I am mentioning this as M2, If a layman or some other random person came to your project and if you want to know what is M2, he can't able to understand why it's M2 and why this one is M3. Maybe different kind of wall, but it was not clearly understandable. So for that, we have to create one legend like this hatch having a wall is M2 and this hatch of wall is considered as M3. Like that, we have to create one legend and we have to place it here. Then only if we can't able to understand the drawing clearly, we can refer the legend and we can able to understand it. The same thing also for you also. If you facing any trouble understanding a drawing, always refer the legends. Uh, whatever the legends they can provide you, it is more easier to understand the project. Now I want to add some more legend for words. We have gone through the schedules. Let us try legends. Here the door legend is already there. Let us see. Door is door. Here is nothing except some couple of texts. So you can remove those. And a legend is you can able to get data from our modeled element like go to annotate in component, go to legend components. Legend components, you can select what family you want. For now, you can take doors or walls. What walls we have created? I think it's 170. Yeah, 170. That wall sample will be creating automatically. This is that wall sample. Can you understand? Just to go to legend, you can create one new legend like that. Also, whatever the legend, you can provide the name as wall legends. And the main thing is scaling, leaving the scaling as it is. And don't work here. Try to insert that wall legend to our sheet. Here we have created the wall legends. I'm dragging the thing list. And we can draw and fill something. Detail line. And let me try inserting again. Okay, posting. Now open this one and under the annotate tab, go to component. Here detail components and fitting detail component. Here legend component I can select. Under the family, I have to select the kind of I want a door means I can select the doors. If I want any other element means I can select any other thing. Like if I want a door here, currently this is wall legend. I'm going with wall itself. Uh, 170. Yeah, I can post this one. Here it was meant showcasing like this, and don't get panicked. Always check the detail level. It's fine. Then your detail will be came automatically. For M2 we have created. For M3 I want it. M3 I have to check what wall is that. It's 120 partition wall. Okay. And going back to wall legend and looking outside some white space to get deactivate the view and clicking the wall legend, activating the wall legend view and going to create another legend component and it's 120 partition wall. This one I think so. Here I can select whether it's a section view or floor plan view. It's a floor plan view. Okay. And I can place it here. Okay. Now we have created wall legend. Just double click at white space and click.
Sir, your voice is not audible.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I have created two different kinds of words. Now I have to mention which one is what. This one is M2 and this one is M3 word. For that I can create lines I came to the wall legend and edited that view. Here I can provide the detail line and I can create the rectangular box and I can put some line here and I want some heading space 600. This one also 600. Okay. And I want another line also 40 and then the trim TR. Okay. DL again detail line. So here I can type the text TX wall type maybe or else symbol symbol here maybe thickness or thickness and then I want maybe wall type. The same we can able to add a description and comments and leaving whatever you want. For now I can stop here itself. Here the wall thickness is 170. We can get this one control by pressing control and we can repeat it 170 mm. Okay, this one is 120, 20 mm. Okay, and wall type is M3, M caps, M3. This one is M3, right? M3, M2, M2. This one is M3. So I want this text to be bold For that, I can go to edit type and I have to duplicate this one as renaming as bold bold and can simply select this bold and okay. Okay, wall event. Okay, now we can add the wall event to our sheet. While placing the schedules and the quantities, always cross-check with the text sizes. It has to be matched with all the other details you are placing. Here we are placing around the 3.5, but our schedules is too smaller. Always consider the text size, line sizes, and all. And this rounded also I can click OK. So I want these also to be look something readable like this one 3.5 or else I have to shrink down these values maybe 2.5. Okay, I have taken max give max properties MA is the max properties. I'm selecting that one and I can simply change this. Also can send these things also and it's straight. And again, I have to make this one 2.5 is bold, duplicate this one, rename as bold, and we can tick the bold. And okay, okay, fine. Now it looks somewhat okay. I can move this one up. This one looks okay. Here I can remove the name and I can manually add one more line. It's around maybe 300 and half half of the value. Can simply control and move it up. Can just wall legends. Okay, so I can able to align it properly. Seems to be fine. And we can on and then this one here. Okay, here door legend. We have to edit this one. And here if I click this one, I can pass into door one. Maybe for D1. D1, this is the floor plan view. I want elevation front. So this will be the front elevation view. I want to reduce its size and I can simply go to that family and I can increase the scale size about 150. It will automatically get reduced like that. And I don't want this door legend thing. I am going to provide like this manually. I can click that viewport and I can provide no title and I can edit the view and here. I need to add another door type. I just press Control and make a duplicate, and here I have to select the D2 category. Okay. Now I have to provide the detailed DI from here to door handle height is 800, door height also the width of the door, maybe the frame thickness for this door also, and I have to mention the door type TX. Here this one will be D1 and this one is D2. So you can end it like this. And DL and DL for detail for tablet column one, two, three, four. Yes, again, I can provide a door simply door type. Always cross check the text size. Previously, we did 2.5, providing the 2.5 only, but it has to be bolder one. 2.5 bold. We have created the bold type, and this one is door relief, door details, maybe description or comments. Maybe here you can provide a serial number. Most probably, if you provide the schedules, they won't ask for this kind of detail, but I just wanted to showcase the capability of legends, like whatever the